attending I/O in person, and in this video, I'm sharing my favorite I/O announcements for both creatives and developers, and my experience on I/O. Aside from attending the keynotes and hanging out with builders and GDEs, the highlight for me from I/O yesterday was the Creativity plus AI space, where I played with 4 creative tools from Google Labs, including the brand new Gemini Omni. First, I played with Gemini Omni inside of the Gemini app. Omni let me create and edit videos with conversations. I first generated a video, then I made a few changes afterwards. Because it understands world models, physics, and context, it keeps characters perfectly consistent across multiple turns of edits. Then I tried flow music, and I was very impressed by it. I got hands-on experience creating a music track of Jamaican reggae, edited to add saxophone, and then also added the vocals. The impressive thing about flow music is also allow me to create tools directly inside of flow music. So I create a visualizer to visualize the music along with the music video. I also got a very detailed demo of the Google Flow, which is editing, transform, restyling, and perfectly creating your footage with instructions and the conversational video editing. You can also change elements in there after changing the video style, or even adjust the camera angles, for example, changing it to over-the-shoulder perspective. It also has an advanced environment styling where you can completely restyle an entire environment with just a text prompt, such as flipping the footage from bright day to moonlight. And it also has a character creation and character tracking. And finally, it also has flow music, which is a newly integrated creative tool within Google Flow that allows the user to seamlessly build and customize your background audio tracks that synchronize perfectly with their visual edits. I also got a chance to try Project Genie. I created first an image and then a world, then edited the image before I create the world in 3D where I can navigate in it. I'm really excited about Project Genie. For me, simulation of the world is the next frontier. As part of a special builders group, I also had the privilege of networking with other builders and attending some very exclusive talk sessions, including an AI fireside chat with DeepMind leads and AI tools for human creativity with Google Creative Labs. During lunch today, DeepMind CEO even visited us at the Builders Block. As a creative, I'm very excited about Google Pics, where you can generate assets inside of a Google Workspace. There's also another tool called Stitch from Google Labs, where you can generate an entire UI design with prompts and just use your voice and then talk to create a new UI layout. As a developer, I'm also very excited about Antigravity 2.0 and Antigravity CLI and the various Google AI Studio features and also the easy export to Antigravity. I hope you enjoy my story live from Google I/O and subscribe for more AI, art, and design.